You don't need 21 days to fix your life. Forget 90-day challenges. Forget week-long routines. You don't even need 7 days. You need one. One day, one decision, one honest moment. That's it. Because the truth is, you don't need more time. You need more truth. And today, I'm going to give it to you. Raw, real, unfiltered. This isn't about motivation. This is war. Let's fix you today. Step 1. Radical self-confinement. Pick one day. Just one. Now kill the noise. Phone, off. Internet, off. Social media, dead. No scrolling. No replying. No checking in. Just you and your mind. You're not broken. You're overstimulated. Your brain has been running on survival mode. You've been drowning in distractions, constant noise, constant input, and now your mind has no space. No space to think. No space to breathe. No room to feel anything. You want clarity? Silence is your weapon. If you can't spend one day alone with your thoughts, you're not avoiding boredom. You're avoiding yourself. Step 2. The mirror ritual. Find a mirror. Stand in front of it. Now look yourself in the eyes. Don't flinch. Don't fake it. No music. No affirmations. No distractions. Just 5 minutes of stillness. Ask yourself one question. Who am I pretending to be? Not what are my goals? Not what do I want to achieve? Just that one brutal question. Who am I pretending to be? Ask it for real. You'll feel it a sting in your chest. A quiet ache you've been ignoring. That's your real self waking up. Because deep down, you know you've been performing, wearing a mask, pretending. But today, that ends. Today is the day you stop being fake. Today, you get honest. Step 3. Destroy to rebuild. Grab a notebook. Write down 3 things. Number 1, the habits that are slowly killing your potential. Number 2, the places or people that drain your energy. Number 3, the lies you keep telling just to be accepted. Be honest. Be brutal. Now tear that page out. Burn it. Rip it. Shred it. Why? Because writing it down brings awareness. But destroying it, that sends a message to your subconscious. I'm not going back. That version of you, the one that hides, that settles. That lies just to survive, it dies today. Step 4, the warrior hour. Set a timer for 60 minutes. This is your warrior hour. And you're going to split it into 3 parts. First 20 minutes, move your body. Run. Do push-ups. Jump in a cold shower. It doesn't matter what. Just push. Push until your muscles scream. Push until your mind goes silent. This is where your body remembers I'm alive. Next 20 minutes, dump your mind. Grab your notebook again. Write everything. The fear, the anger, the shame, the guilt, the confusion. No filter, no editing, no trying to make sense of it. Just bleed it all onto the page. Final 20 minutes, silent. Sit, breathe. No music, no phone, no talking. Just you and stillness. You'll feel it. That shift. The return of power, the presence, the control. This is where clarity lives. This is where the warrior wakes up. Step 5, the 9 p.m. rule. At 9 p.m., stand in front of the mirror one more time. But this time, don't ask anything. Don't analyze. Don't search. Just say this. Thank you for showing up. Not for being perfect. Not for achieving anything special. Just for being here. For facing yourself. For not running. For fighting when no one else saw it. Most people live their entire lives without giving themselves a single honest day. Today, you did. And that's rare. Here's the truth. You are not broken. You are buried under comfort, under fear, under noise. But it only takes one day. One raw, honest, focused day to shift everything. Not because you became someone new, but because you finally stopped pretending. If this hit you, don't just scroll away. Act. Fix yourself today. And if you felt this message deep, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment. Tell me if today's the day you stop pretending and take your power back. Let's build something real. Let's rise together. One brutal, honest, unstoppable day at a time.